So this is the flowers that I'm talking about. These are, I think, pumpkin flowers. So I'm gonna wash them and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna be cooking for my husband. I just realized that I actually had to cook them yesterday, but I didn't, and I left them in the fridge, and they are a little bit we're gonna see how we're gonna do it. Otherwise, this is the flowers, and also I decided to do other stuff to actually add some more stuff. So we're gonna be also making some onions, stuffed onions, okay. And I also have some vine, or maybe these are crepe leaves. So we're gonna be making some sarma or some dolma, this one and this one and this one. Let's what I'm gonna do is actually to remove all these, like to remove these ones, okay, this extra stuff, okay. And then we're gonna open inside. Let me just show you. We're gonna do this. Wait. Meanwhile, I have cleaned the onions, and we're gonna break it half, okay. You're gonna make sure that you are breaking it this way, okay, just like that. This is the flowers. After washing them, we're gonna be using them. And also I have cleaned these ones. This one I already cleaned, and I have arranged there because we're gonna be needing them, okay. So this is how we're gonna be using, and I have these ones that are ready. I'm gonna remove them, okay. Next part, we're gonna need some rice. This is a plain rice. I'm going to add in a little twist. I'm adding in some bulgur pilau, okay. So it is very common here in Turkey, so I'm gonna add just a little bit, not too much. On a pan, we are going to add in olive oil. Here I have my onions, sliced chopped onions. I have my garlic, I have my coriander, I have my spices, cumin, and all the red chili, the sweet red chili. We have some not spicy chili, I don't know, the black chili, the black pepper. I have my nane or mint, this dried mint. I have my tomato paste that I have grated. Actually, this just grated tomatoes. So we're gonna be using all of this, okay, on the rice. gonna make this one. So this is the onions. I want to do the other ones. Okay, I want to do this one, and the way we are doing this one is very simple. Or let me start with the flowers. So what we're gonna do, I don't know if you can see, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna little by little add inside, add, and then close the flower like so. I'm telling you, this is so amazing. Okay, and then we are going to close the flowers just like that. It's not hard, but it takes a lot of time. All of them. Wow! So as you can see, this is the flowers. You can see how they are. Let me just show you one of it. Okay, this is how they look like. Okay, and also we have this one. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, I want to show you how to make the other ones. So the other ones, we need these flowers, not flowers, these are actually crepe leaves. So you make sure that this side it is on the top like this. Okay, this is the top side. This one is too small, I don't know how it's gonna be. Then you add very little rice. Okay, and then you just do what you can do, okay, to make sure that you are wrapping it very well like that. Okay, and then you just roll like that. That is it. So this side goes upwards. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing? I don't know if you can see. You're adding in little rice. You're closing it just like that. Okay, and then you are rolling it. It takes more time, like Turkish women normally make them well. For me, I'm still learning, but I'm trying. Okay, so we are making something like this, just like that. So I'm gonna make all of them, and I'm gonna come back. So as you can see, I'm done. Everything is done. I'm done. So now, this is the pan that I used the rice. We're gonna use the same pan. Okay, I'm gonna put on the fire, and then we're gonna add some little oil. Just like that, we're gonna take some tomato paste and cook it. Okay, just like that. Then we're gonna add some water. Take this one. So guys, I had guessed while I was making this video I couldn't continue shooting, but meanwhile I want to show you the end result. This is what actually came out. Like, this is already ready. The food is ready. It's so yummy. I tested this food and it was so delicious. I kid you not, especially the onions ones. I loved it. They have just this sweet, this everything blended so well. So it is one of the cuisines that I highly recommend you to try. You're gonna love it, I'm not kidding you. And my husband loved them. Like, he told me that I did amazing job, and we actually enjoyed this one together with other food beside. Okay, this is normally served together with another dish. Okay, so I served actually with another dish. I'm gonna link it